So for today, what we're gonna do is that we're going to do the conversion using velocity. So it is going to have two units, the metric one and the one for time. So for our first example, we have 25 kilometers per hour. I'm gonna put it as a fraction, kilometers per hour, and I'm going to change it to meters per second. In order to change it to meters per second, I'm gonna need to do two steps. First the meters and then the seconds. So first the one for distance and then the one for time. I'm going to start with the one for distance, which is going to be meters. So I'm going to take kilometers, I have it on the top, and I'm going to put it all the way to the bottom. And then meters on top, because it's the unit that I want. Once I have that, I'm going to move on to do the one for time. So hours, I have it on the bottom. I'm going to put it on the top. So take a look, make sure I am inverting them. And seconds, I want it on the bottom, so I'm going to put it on the bottom. Okay, now for every hour, I'm going to have 3,600 seconds. This, I'm going to take it from here. I know that in 1 hour there is 60 minutes, and in 1 minute there is 60 seconds. So if I do 60 times 60, I'm gonna get 3,600 seconds. Now, for here, I'm gonna put 1 in kilometers, and I know that in every kilometer there is 1,000 meters. Now, once I have put my numbers, I'm going to cancel out the units. So I'm going to cancel kilometers with kilometers, hours with hours. With this, what I'm making sure is that my answer is going to be meters per second. It's very important that I put the units, because if I don't, even though the number is correct, the answer will be incorrect. Now I do 25 times 1,000. You can do that on the calculator, and you're gonna divide it by 3,600. And that is going to come to a total of 6.95. I'm rounding that up. It's 6.944444. So I'm rounding it up to 6.95. It will be 6.95 meters per second. Now, if I want to go the other way around and change from meters per second to kilometers hour, I'm going to do the following. Again, I'm going to start by putting it as a fraction. And I'm going to make my two lines. One for distance, one for time. I'm going to take the meters, put them on the bottom. Kilometers goes to the top. Because on the answer, I have it on the top, so I want it on the top. Same thing for seconds, I have it on the bottom, I'll put it on the top. And hours is on the bottom, so I want it on the bottom. For kilometers, I know that in every kilometer, there is 1,000 meters. And then, from what we saw here, for every hour, there is 3,600 seconds. I will cancel my units. Meters and meters, seconds and seconds. And that way my answer is going to be kilometers hour. And now I just do the math. So I have 260. I'm going to multiply it by 3,600. And I'm going to divide it by 1,000. And the result will be 936 kilometers per hour. And that will be my answer.